Hey everyone, my name is Reeve Schulstad and I'm a professor for Music and Culture at MUS 2011. So welcome to the class. I thought this video would be helpful to help you get acclimated to the As You Learn site and how the class is going to flow for the rest of the semester. Just to let you know a little bit about myself, I'm a musicologist. I've been at Appalachian since 2009. And I love teaching here, and I love teaching this class in the summer. I find that I get to know students really well in the online scene. So I'm looking forward to getting to know more about you guys. Just a little bit about myself. I just came back from a trip from Norway with my husband. We turned 50 this year and took a trip and visited some friends. And I've just come back and I'm over my jet lag and ready to get started with this class. So let's get started on how to use this As You Learn site. The first thing that you're going to see on the screen is the syllabus and resources. So you can click here on the PDF to see the syllabus, and I'd like for you to read through that. You will have a quiz on the syllabus and other aspects of the As You Learn site, so make sure that you do look at that. I also have some quick links for the Academic Integrity Code, the Disability Resources, and As You Learn support if you need that. I also have a forum here. If you have questions about the class, best to put them here so that if someone else has the same kind of question, you can sort of have an FAQ. So here's the Ask Reeve section. Then afterwards, you're going to see that I have several different modules for this class, and it's divided into topics. After the Get Started module, you'll have a module on fundamentals, music and ethnicity, music and gender, politics, war, Broadway, and film. So all of these, you'll be doing some things with talking about music, but also looking at it through particular lenses. So, in the Let's Get Started, you're going to do a music and identity forum where you talk about music in relation to your own identity, and we'll be able to respond to each other's posts. And then you have a quiz on the syllabus and the As You Learn site. Then in the music fundamentals, you're going to see how the rest of the class sort of starts to unfold. You'll have a learning goals and agenda document that'll show you what's required for that particular module. And then with each one of those, there's a link. So there's a slideshow for information, and a forum, quiz, a listing journal, and some kind of assignment. And the way you'll know when things are due is you'll see them in the upcoming events. And they're also embedded into the class calendar. So that should help you keep to know what's coming up and keep you focused, so you won't get behind. So that's it for now. I'll let you get started and then start looking at the Music and Identity forum and start thinking about music in your own identity. And we'll get started talking about music. See you online.